Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Toyota Corolla Ascent Sport, stock reference number 5184. This shape runs from the 7th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has an M20A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. M20A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left side skirt. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right side skirt, right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single zone, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.